So the last things that I'm going to do with this site, I've got the front end of the site wrapped up here on a subdomain, and the last thing I'm going to do is add my domain name to the account. So you can see here my suite. I go to my domains under the admin section, and I'm going to add a new domain. In this case, I'm going to add strathconasuite.com. Don't worry about this stuff. This is all related to reselling the domain. Of course, it's already been taken. So, one moment. Of course, it's Strathcona Home, not Strathcona Suite. It helps if you've got the right domain name. Got a lot of Strathcona domains, what can I say? So, strathconahome.com is now added to the domain list, and I am the Uber owner, so I'm just going to go into the admin here and bypass. So this part is still a little manual, but of course you can see how easy it is for us to enable the domain. So now I believe if I've done all this right, if we go ahead and type Strathcona Home into the address bar, which you can't see because it's out of frame, but I did just do that. There you go. Strathcona Home is resolving on the site. So I am going to do one other thing here. So I've resolved the domain, and then the other thing that I want to go is into the newsletter templates and hit the newsletter sign up thing. So you can see the thank you for subscribing. I can edit this to be more specific to the content of the site. So just give me a second to do that, and I'll come right back. Alright, so I've finished customizing the email. I made it specific. I also did a couple of other minor little things. I'm just going to take out the link to the blog for now. So I went back to the dashboard and I cleaned up a couple of other things. The text for the sidebar, I said get on the list instead of, it said custom text on it. And I also added the contact page. Or I put back in the link to the contact page, which you can see is, where is it? On the sidebar. Sorry, on the menu. These links are all going to set places. So I just added back in the contact menu in order to have the contact page working, although it is actually up in the corner here, so that's another option. Okay, so the last thing I did was go and add analytics to the site, and I have other videos that show you how to set up analytics, but basically I signed up for analytics, and instead of taking this code, which we already have embedded in our system, all you need is the web property ID. So I just take that and I go to my account details page right here, and you can see analytics key is one of those settings. So once I paste my analytics key in there and hit save, Google Analytics is properly set up, and you can see it's just saying waiting for data to arrive. So now I've set up analytics on my account so I can track how much traffic I got. I also took 2 quick seconds and set up an email, or set up an ad on Craigslist, and I'm just going to show you very quickly. So this is like a total experiment. I set it up in real estate for sale, and I just put a very quick email that says this is a new development project breaking ground in Vancouver's Strathcona neighborhood, and a link to the site. So with the analytics there, we'll be able to tell how many hits that drove. But remember, this is all within the morning. I've set up a marketing funnel to get interest in the project. I've shot a video, and I now have an ad up on Craigslist advertising it. So good morning.